Hello my brothers and sisters. In today's video we'll make this simple loader animation. Let's jump into code. I have already imported our unusable fonts from Google Fonts. In HTML we have loader, in it 4 items as you see. Let's open this with live server extension. In CSS, let's make our loader fill screen, and we center its items with flexbox, and we add some dark background. We add to every item its typing, styling. Great. And we have infinite animation in 1 second. And we have our keyframe, so our items start in black, and in the middle of our animation they will be white, and in the end they come back in black. And to get the result we want, we add to every item bigger animation delay.